welcome back to day 4 of J3's STEM Christmas Countdown. So, today we're going to be doing the 4th experiment in this science advent calendar. Push this in, pull this out, and grab our stuff. So, looks like we have some instant snow. And that's all that's in there. So, let's go ahead and flip to our guide. Go to test tube. Aha, the beaker surge. So, what you need is your instant snow, a beaker, your big scoop, a plastic cup, and some water. And make sure it's not too hot or not too cold. Good. Anyways, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take your water and fill the beaker to just below the rim. Looks like we need just a teensy bit more water. Well, that shouldn't be a problem. Just a little bit more. So it's just below the rim. There you go. Now, take your instant snow, take 2 big cups, scoops. There we go. Now, here's the last part. This is a relatively simple experiment, but a fun one. Now, you have to quickly dump the powder from the plastic cup into the beaker. And let's see what happens. Oh, it's starting to build up. It's building up. And boom! Snow. Oh, there we go. Just has to harden. And watch as it rises and starts to materialize. Oh, it's like puffy. That's cool. So, this has been the instant snow experiment. So if you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on J3's STEM Christmas Countdown.